Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very spontaneous. I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can for you guys.
Hi guys, it's nice to see you. And we are totally doing school right now. I'm doing my handwriting from The Good and the Beautiful, and it's been so good.
See what you're doing. Wow, that's really, really good, Bob. Do you want to color the clouds or you just want them white?
Look, always daylight.
They're always white, the clouds.
I'm forgetting that you're still on the video. I know I'm on video.
So, we're going to be reading Jesus Story Book Bible, and we've read through this a few times, but we really like it a lot. And then we'll just probably read a couple poems from Julie Andrews. Jesus that day. They came before breakfast, stayed all morning, all afternoon, and way past dinner. No one had meant to be out there that long, but that's how it was, listening to Jesus. As if time didn't exist. People could listen to Jesus for hours, and on this particular day, that's just what they did. That's true, he made all of creation. So how hard would it be to just...
He made it more and more and more.
He made more and more and more.
Yeah, that's...
Yep. He made all of those. So,
Well, look at all those.
Jesus took the little boy's lunch and looked up to heaven and thanked his Father.
Hi guys. I'm gonna cut it. No, that's a bowling thing. Hi guys. Today. Oh, look at Mia. I can see there's 18.
18, good job. So you're gonna circle that. And then do you want to write 18 over there?
Me too.
Yeah, you could
I
write.
know how to do 18.
I know, you're pretty good at doing
I'm
this.
just gonna do one.
You're just gonna do one? Okay, so that's wrong though, it's not one. That's, there you go. Awesome. And then the next, oh, you're gonna count yourself? Okay.
19.
Are you sure it's 19? So this is 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17.
17. Can you circle 17? Do you know where the 17 is? 17. So you see a 7? That's, okay, so circle it. Good job, you did it, bub. You can tell my daughter is not there. She's upstairs reading a book. Yeah, because she has a book club, right, with her friend. They're reading The Little House in the Big Woods. They know how to make a 16. Wow. So do you want to do it with this? So 1.
No. 1, 2, 1. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, and 22, and 23, and 24, 25, and 26, and
Ooh, 26. Okay.
27,
27. That's a 27.
and 8,
That's 28. 29. 30. Where's 30? There you go. 31. Count it, puppy.
32, 33, 34, 35, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 94, 95, 96, 98, 99, 100.
100? What? No way. You counted all the way to 100? Is that your first time counting up to 100 by yourself?
Well, he has to give me $100.
100? You get $100 because you read up to 100? Or you counted up to 100?
Yeah.
Wow. Those are red blood cells and blue.
Okay. Tell me your brother's name. Command.
Awesome. Hey, you did it.
I like helping Mom in the garden. Statement.
Yep. Good job.
When does the play start?
Right here, baby. When does the play start?
Exclamation.
No. Is that an exclamation or is that a question mark?
Question.
Never liked Roman rule, and the Romans had never managed to control.
So I am back at the house. I just got back from doing errands. I got some water and butter. I went to the library and I wanted to get some really cool read out loud books just for our homeschool library because they always have really good deals there. They're like 25 cents a book or 50 cents depending upon the volunteer that you get for the day. But the bookstore was closed, so I was so bummed. I actually probably shouldn't have gotten books, so I'm glad maybe it was meant to be where I didn't get any books, but I needed to get books from the library for our new unit study that's coming up soon. We're ending our unit study that we've been doing lately, which is like animal themed, and we're still finishing up on the voyages of Dr. Dolittle. So I will be sharing with you guys in the future a unit study and how I set it up and how I'm going to plan it out. So it's going to be a very relaxed one. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I will share that with you guys if you want. Let me know down below in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. So if you guys are new to my channel and you guys just watched this video, welcome. I am a homeschool mom of two. I have, if you saw, a little kindergartner, and I have a daughter in 2nd grade, and we're doing our best to homeschool every day, and every day is not going to be perfect, but I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of what our morning looks like. It wasn't exactly how it goes every morning, but we do our morning basket every single morning. That is the thing that really, really gets me excited. I love reading the Bible to them. I love reading poetry. I love deciding whether or not we want to do geography one morning, or art, or music study, and so it's just a very fun way of homeschooling, having that option to pick any book at any time, whatever the kids are interested in at that moment in time, and just eating breakfast together. That's what we usually do. So I don't know if I took clips of that, but then we did math and language arts. But I hope you guys got like a little glimpse of what we do in the morning time on a morning where we're kind of hurrying up to go somewhere. So we just packed our leftover dinner here, and we're gonna go to the park. It's about 12:14. We packed up our lunch. We need to get out of the house, and we're gonna go to the park, maybe practice some soccer, go to the lake, and eat our lunch, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
We're gonna go to the park and go to the lake to eat.
So now it is raining and we cannot go to the park and have our lunch. So we're gonna do an inside picnic movie. So this is what we did so far today. Sorry about the TV being so loud. But we're going to finish the show, and then we're going to go outside, because if you can look outside, it's like sunny already. It stopped raining. So we did our young devotional reader, and we read a few poems this morning, Where the Sidewalk Ends. And then we did What a Way to Start the New Year. It's a Rosh Hashanah book. I'm going to show you. It's this book, What a Way to Start the New Year. It's a Rosh Hashanah story. So this was really, really good. The scripture memorization verse that we did today is John 3:16, and we haven't done a memorization verse in a long, long, long time. So this is just one that I got from BibleStoryPrinciples.com, and this I got when my daughter was in preschool, I think. So I just found it when I was going through our homeschool stuff. I was decluttering a lot of stuff, and I found it. I laminated it. So I thought this would be good for my son to learn with us. For the good and the beautiful, for language, we did lesson 66, and we talked about prefixes. In lesson 66, multi-syllable words with UN, and I read this to her. We actually did a really good job today, having a good attitude. I gave her those words, I dictated them to her, and she orally told me how to spell them. And then we matched up those words, like unlike, not like, unsure, not sure. I dictated the following words to her, and she spelled them out for me. And then she read all of these UN words. And then we also did all of these. So unhelpful, ungrateful. We talked about what they all mean. And then she read some of these, and she wanted to spell some of them orally. So she did that. And then we matched up the prefixes to the word meaning here. And I think that's all we did today. Yeah, we didn't do this one. We're kind of pretty much done. We'll do the rest later. And that's what we did for our Good and the Beautiful lesson. Explode the Code, she just did one page. So we're going to go outside because the show ended. And I just want to tell you, we did BJU. We were doing the last chapter of the first grade book, reviewing lots of things. So we did a few pages there. And then with my son, we did some car math, and we were doing addition and subtraction. And now we're going to go to the park. And we're going to run around and have fun, hopefully practice a little bit of soccer, because she has soccer coming up. So that is my handy dandy planner. So if you guys are looking for a good planner, the Purple Trail planner is really good. I will link my referral link down below if you want to purchase it. I get like a percentage off, and you get a percentage off of your planner. So they're finishing up their lunch. I love you, Sissy. It's raining, and we are just about to go to the park and play soccer because it was a nice day, or it just stopped raining. And then it's a typical Florida day, guys, right? It's raining again. So we're gonna go to Goodwill. We have like a bag back there. We have we just have lots of stuff. thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to wrap this up, and if you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you guys join Mama Shmoo's Homeschool Reviews. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!